Hey, Darksteel here, coming to you from inside my blacksmith shop. Today we're going to do part 3 of my charity build video, in which I'm building a skull sword, specifically for the intention of selling it so that we can make some money for a little girl who needs some kidney surgery. If you haven't seen my other 2 videos, I suggest you go check them out. They're the build so far, and this will be video 3. Alright. So I'm going to be working a lot on this with the grinder here in a minute. And what I've got here is I went ahead and I put it in the vise using 2 pieces of wood so that I don't mess up the edge, because I needed to be able to clamp it down, but I didn't want to mess up what I've already done here. So I put something soft so it'll grip into there and it's a good solid hold in the meantime. So here's how far I've gotten so far. It's starting to look like a hand. I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm going to have to touch up the rest of this with the Dremel, as a lot of it is too small for me to continue working in. Like right there, I couldn't quite get to dig in, so I'll have to use the Dremel for that. But I'm same here. Got to do Dremel work there. I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to sharpen and shine the edge of this, trying to leave the blade as black as I can, with a sanding disc. Okay, so I found something. I was starting to work with the Dremel right here and realized how much of that I want worn down on each side. And so I came to the realization that actually I do need to pull the grinder back out for this part. Just a point of interest, so far in trying to make a skull, I have accidentally made Darth Vader. Okay, so I had to go let my battery charge for a few because it was going dead. And in the meantime, I realized what I did not like about the way this was turning out. And that was this entire three-dimensional jaw section. I realized that's what I wasn't liking about it. So I took the grinder and I went to town and I broke the weld all the way around using the grinder, chipped it up, smoothed it out a little bit, and now I'm ready to start going. See, already it looks more like a skull. And that's, I think that was definitely the right move. Okay, I think I got the things I want accomplished there for the most part, and so now we're going to move on to the next thing, which will be torching it. Let's try something else. Okay, I dumped a little oil on it and I'm letting it dry on there real quick, and then I'll do the next step after that.